This is the gear ring subassembly. Notice on the pawls there's kind of a hook shape on one end. The hook shape will be facing towards the center of the gear ring. Take a pawl spring. Sometimes they're called R springs because they look like the letter R. Hold the hook on the spring on the flat side of the pawl. Point the hook on the pawl to the inside of the gear ring. Align the spring in the hole and insert a pawl pin. A little tricky. And then test the action, and then do the same on the other side, which we did this one ahead of time. And then you're done.